Hi, Josebo. If you have been following my Alibaba stock videos, you will definitely know about Tencent Holdings as well. Tencent stock price has crashed 37% from its recent peak, and this is due to all the negative news like the crackdown on Tencent Music, fined by China's anti-monopoly regulators, and now the restrictions of gaming for minors. In this video, you will discover whether Tencent stock will go big or go home in the near future. Let's talk about the latest rule by the Chinese regulators, limiting online gaming for players aged under 18 between 8 PM to 9 PM on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. Basically, gaming time has cut to 3 hours a week for players aged under 18. Only 3 hours per week. Oh yeah, why am I wearing the turban? This is not an Alibaba video. Anyway, in my opinion, 3 hours a week for minors is really too little. I still remember I loved playing Dota, which is a 5vs5 online game when I was around 14 to 15 years old during my secondary school days. And sometimes I played from 8 PM till 2 AM midnight. I'm just curious, do you play any online games till midnight as well? Do comment down below to share with me what online games you played in the past. You might be asking how the rules will be enforced. Basically, online games require users to register with their national identity card to ensure that the children do not lie about their age. In my opinion, kids these days are really smart and they are able to overcome these rules as well. They can literally buy a new account from an adult. Or they can even use their parents' identity card if their parents allow them to. I believe there are many other solutions to overcome these rules. Damn! Don't you think so? Based on the 2020 annual report, the majority of the total revenue is contributed by value-added services, which represents around 55% of total revenue. So what are value-added services? Value-added services in this case means the revenue generated from online gaming derived from sales of virtual items. Basically, revenue from online gaming contributed 55% of the total revenue. So let's assume all minors aged under 18 really obey the rules and stick to only 3 hours per week of online gaming. How will this affect Tencent's business? Based on the annual report, minors aged under 18 only accounted for 6% of China's online gaming revenue. If we look at the big picture, 6% of online gaming revenue represents only 3.3% of Tencent's total revenue, which is really a very small percentage. But as usual, the media created a big hoo-ha that made investors panic. But as a fundamental investor, we always need to stay rational and ask ourselves, how will this news affect the business as a whole, and whether it is a crisis or an opportunity for us. Right now, we understand that the maximum impact of this new rule is affecting only 3.3% of Tencent's total revenue. So based on this data, we can make a better decision for ourselves. Based on Bloomberg, Tencent has been buying back its shares in the public market almost daily since August 18, and they have bought back a combined 2.2 million shares. We need to find out not only what the management says, but also what the management does. It is to check whether the management is walking the talk. And based on the share buyback, we understand that Tencent management are confident about its own business, and currently they feel that it is a good time and good price to buy. In conclusion, I feel that the new rules for online gaming have a very small impact on Tencent's long-term business. Moreover, it is a positive sign that Tencent has been buying back its shares. Anyway, what do you think? Do you agree with this conclusion? Feel free to comment down below to share with me, as I may have some blind spot as well. Subscribe to this channel so that you can receive more insights from me in future videos. Do watch this video right now to discover whether investing in Tencent stock is better than Alibaba. I'll see you there.